Hello, this is going to be a quick video of how to use the overlay in the Lily app. So first you're going to go and press show overlay down here on the bottom right. And then you have to enable the appear on top permission. And then go ahead and press show overlay. And this is going to be a convenient way for you to start and stop the service without needing to go back to the app. So say you're using it on a platform and then you can start and stop the Lily service using the overlay so you don't have to go back here to the app itself. And then I'll show you guys how to use the set pull down refresh position here. So the pull down refresh is when you want to refresh by pulling down like this, when you pull down and it shows that icon there. So sometimes you need to manually set the position of where it's going to start its pull, because if it starts here, then it's going to pull down the list like that, and you want it to start down here. So you just go in there, press the overlay button, press set pull down refresh position, and then it's going to show this target here, and you just drag that to where you want the pull down refresh to start, and then it'll start from there and pull down there like that. So that should be good. And then be sure to press done down here, and then you're all set. Now the pull down refresh position is set there. Close that. And then when I have the pull down refresh option enabled, start the service, and now you'll see that the Lily app is pulling down to refresh. And that's all there is to it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Appreciate it.